number SF-09. This is the front open shirt. And this is a front open green colored shirt with embellishments, tilla work and embroidered with peach colored thread work, also with maroon beads over it. This is the border provided with the front of the shirt. This is the upper body of the shirt. These are the heavy embroidered sleeves with a border to it. This is the back of the shirt with a spread over it. This is the border for the back of the shirt. This is the body provided for the back of the shirt. This is the dupatta with a one-sided border to it. This is the contrast trouser with it, along with these embellishments.